Okay, class, to get started, I'm going to be passing out this map of World War I in Europe. It is going to show you the alliances and the movements of key battles and just some other general information to get you started, to give you kind of a visual idea. Okay, so to start out this lesson, the steps are written up on the board. First, we are going to watch a little clip of a documentary about World War I. We are going to review the PowerPoint that you should have looked over before you came to class, but if you didn't look over it, you're in luck. I'm going to go over the key points. And then you're going to write a question that you still might have about the PowerPoint or anything else. You're going to crumple a piece of paper and then throw the question up here. Remember, be adults about it. And then I'm going to find it in the presentation, and then I'll write or draw the answer on the board, and then we're going to do an exit ticket. So I'm kind of reviewing the PowerPoint for the exit ticket and also your unit test that's coming up. So first, let's watch the video.
I was 16 years old and my father allowed me to go.
I was just turned 17 at the time.
I was 16.
I was 15 years.
When they came to us, they were frightened children and had to be made into soldiers.
Boys, here it comes. We're in the pictures.
I gave every part of my youth to do a job. There was a job to be done. You just got on and did it.
So I think that documentary is super interesting because, like they said, a lot of the footage at the time was in black and white and it was very shaky, so people did not look natural. Their movements did not look natural, so that just really shows kind of the human aspect of the war. So this first slide obviously is going to break down some key points of when the war started and when the war ended. It started in 1914 and ended in 1918. Almost 8 million people died because of this war. And then Russia, having the most loss, 1.7 million people in Russia alone were killed because of this war. And then also the map of Europe was greatly changed. And I'm going to show you just a little image to show you this. So this is the map of Europe before World War I, and this is the map of Europe after World War I. So I'm going to switch back to them really quickly just to give you an idea. Before, after, before, after. So what you can see is that the country that was Austria-Hungary is completely broken up into all these new countries, Poland, Czechoslovakia, and then two separate countries, Austria-Hungary. Russia becomes the USSR and becomes a communist country, and then also Great Britain was also divided up into Northern Ireland and the Republic of Ireland. And in the 1990s, there was